Chances are you've seen automated external defibrillators or AEDs in lots of public buildings, but if you witness someone having a cardiac event, would you know how to use one? Hi, I'm Charlie Batch, and joining me right now is Cheryl Rickens. She's an EMS specialist for the AED program at UPMC. Thank you for joining us today. Why are AEDs important, and what do they do to help?
Well, thank you for having me here today. AEDs are very important to help somebody in an out-of-hospital cardiac arrest. It's going to have visual and verbal instructions to tell you what to do, so you just follow the prompts.
Let's take a closer look now at how to use one.
If you come across somebody that's collapsed or somebody collapses in front of you, you need to act quickly as minutes matter. Check for responsiveness and breathing status. If they're unresponsive or not breathing normally, such as snoring or gasping noises, those are your indications for calling 911 and directing someone to get an AED, an automated external defibrillator. If you are by yourself and an AED is close by, you can get it. Otherwise, start CPR. To do hands-only CPR, remember the phrase, push hard and push fast in the center of the chest. Put one hand on top of the other, lock your elbows, center of the chest, pushing downward at least 2 inches, allowing the chest to come back to its original position. You're going to do chest compressions at a rate of 100 to 120 per minute, and you're going to just keep doing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When the AED arrives, put it by the head-shoulder area of the patient. Anyone can use an AED. It's safe and easy to use. Once you open up the AED, turn it on. It's going to have verbal and visual instructions for you to follow.
Adult patient. If the patient is a child, press the child button. Remove clothing from the patient's chest. Remove packet and apply pads onto patient's bare skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly on skin. Apply pads as shown in the pictures.
Once the pads are on the person, the AED will check the person's heart rhythm. There are only 2 options. If the patient needs to be defibrillated or shocked, the AED will automatically charge up and direct you to not touch and to press the flashing button. It'll then direct you to start CPR. The other option is that the patient doesn't need shocked, so the AED's voice prompt will be no shock advised. Begin CPR.
Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Shock advised. Do not touch the patient. Everyone clear. Press the flashing shock button.
Clear, clear, nobody touch.
Shock delivered. Begin CPR.
Anytime the AED directs you to do CPR, a metronome and timer will come on to assist you with CPR.
20.
Keep doing what the AED directs you to do. Whatever it's telling you to do is the right thing to do at that point in time. Once the first responders arrive, keep doing what you're doing until they're ready to take over. Remember to give EMS a report of what happened and what was done, as this is very helpful for their care. Remember, minutes matter. Early CPR and early defibrillation makes a difference.
Cheryl, thank you for sharing that important life-saving information.
You are welcome.
For you at home, you can learn more at minutesmatter.upmc.com.